Hello everyone, this is my oral presentation for English Level 2. Introduce myself. Talks about my trip experience in San Gil. The weather in San Gil. Recommendation if you go to San Gil. This is I am 29 years old. I was born in Bucaramanga. I am quality manager and I work in Dana Transejes. I like listening to music, traveling, and go out with my family and children. I live with my family. Okay, let's continue with my trip experience in San Gil. Welcome to San Gil. Last month I went with my girlfriend to San Gil. We spent there 3 days. We went from Friday to Sunday. We traveled by motorcycle. The first day meet all the town. The second day we went to Huancuri Waterfalls. And in the night we went to a disco. Finally we did rafting. It was a nice weekend. Tips to go to San Gil. People should go to the General Park. People should make rafting. People should live to dance to Caña Brava disco. People should go to Huancuri Waterfalls. People should get in the Indian cave. People should do bungee jumping. The weather in San Gil. In San Gil the summer are short and hot. The winter and short, constable and humid, and it's winds and cloudy throughout the year. What you shouldn't do. People shouldn't swim at the river at night. People shouldn't drive motorcycle after night. People shouldn't jump extreme sport in San Gil or clothes without protection. People shouldn't go to rafting on foot. Recommendation to visit San Gil. It's recommended that you wear constable clothes. It's necessary apply a pleasant clip. It's important you wear sunglasses. Thank you. Bye bye.